Hello guys and welcome to the moon. My name is Carl and I'm bringing you this cryptocurrency video, and I'm coming to you here from my apartment in Dubai. And many people are asking me, not only on YouTube, not only on Twitter, but also in real life. My friends are asking me here in Dubai, for example, where am I putting my money right now? And am I buying Bitcoin? Am I buying altcoins? What altcoin am I buying? So I would like to address the question: if I were to invest $1,000 today, and if that was the only money I put in crypto, what would I put my money into? And for me, this is a pretty easy question, even though it has become a little bit more complicated in the past few months. In the bear market, I always told you, to always keep 80% at least of your Bitcoin or your crypto in Bitcoin, and I recommended 90%. And I even told you guys that I was 100% Bitcoin throughout most of the bear market, which was a perfect strategy because altcoins were bleeding like crazy and Bitcoin was still holding up pretty nicely, to be honest. I mean, it went up to $20,000, sure, and it went down to $3,000. But overall, it held its value very well, while altcoins went down like 99%, many of them. So in the bear market, and in the next bear market, it is once again going to be recommended by me to keep your money in Bitcoin. Now, in a bull market, things change. In a bull market, we are seeing massive potential in altcoins, and we have to take advantage of that. We need to play the game. We have to play the swings. We have to anticipate the next big moves. And right now, we are in a bull market. We're in a Bitcoin bull market and an altcoin bull market, which means that we should get exposure to Bitcoin or to altcoins. And that's what I've done. I started to increase my exposure to altcoins approximately, actually I started like 1.5 years ago, before the Corona dump. But after the Corona dump, that's when I started to go really heavy into altcoins. And specifically into DeFi. I started to buy a lot of DeFi coins, and against the US dollar, all of these coins have done tremendously well, and most of them have also outperformed Bitcoin. And this is the whole point with altcoins. You want to outperform Bitcoin in the short term, and then you want to sell and you want to take profits back into Bitcoin. You don't necessarily have to sell all your altcoins, and you don't have to sell every single coin that you hold in a specific altcoin, but taking profits into Bitcoin is so important because, I mean, guys, I've been here for more than 4 years now. I've been here a long time in crypto, and I can tell you, I mean, it's even more than 4 years, like almost 5 years now. I can tell you, in a bull cycle, people make millions, people make absolute bank, and people become rich. But all of these people that become rich, they are rich for a few months, but they keep holding, and all of these coins, they completely collapse, and they lose everything that they built up, which is very sad. Obviously, you want to make sure to preserve your wealth. I think it was, yeah, Warren Buffett said the following: rule number 1 in investing is do not lose money, and the rule number 2, according to him, is to see rule number 1. Very important. Do not lose money, because losing, like if you lose 50% of your holdings in a coin, it will take a 100% gain to make up for that loss. And doubling your money is not something that is super easy. I mean, obviously in crypto, it would seem that it is very easy, and it is in a bull market. But in a bear market, things become tough. Things become really tough. And if you've never experienced a bear market before, then I can tell you that you have no clue how that feels, because I know, like, obviously I didn't hold altcoins, so I wasn't so affected to the bear market, but I know from friends that were holding these coins that just kept bleeding, kept go down, and this will happen again. It's just how it is. And look at this amazing view, guys. Dubai is absolutely beautiful. If you want to go to Dubai, make sure to do that and reach out to me on Twitter or like Instagram or something. We can meet up for a crypto coffee or something, right? But yeah, so taking profit is very important, because in the bear market, you will be punished unless you actually take profits. So How would I invest $1,000? In the bear market, I would have told you to do probably 90% Bitcoin to be on the safe side. Right now, I am recommending still approximately 80% in Bitcoin, but I do think that there is a place here for more exposure for altcoins, which means that I think that you can easily, you can have your altcoin holdings at maybe 30% of your portfolio. If you are really, really risky, if you love risk, and if you plan on taking profits after a few months, you can increase your altcoin holdings to potentially 40%, which means 60% Bitcoin, 40% altcoins. However, personally, I don't have that. Personally, if you want to follow what I'm doing, I still keep like 75% right now of my holdings in Bitcoin and 25% in altcoins. And this is mostly because my altcoins have been exploding. So I'm soon gonna sell some of my altcoins to make to basically rebalance my portfolio. I want to get it back to 80-20 distribution. I am comfortable with 80% Bitcoin and 20% altcoins. And whenever I have an altcoin that goes very, very high, I try to sell, take profits, and I rebalance my portfolio. And this keeps me always taking profits, and I think that's very, very important. And now that I'm sitting here, actually, I have this little booklet here. I'm not sure if you guys know what this brand is. It's Jacob & Co. It's a very, very high-end, luxurious watch brand. And I was actually in the store yesterday, and I was talking to the people there, and because I'm really, really excited about these watches, and I have decided that I will buy one of these very soon, and it's gonna be like a take profit kind of thing. So I didn't decide on what level. Maybe when Bitcoin reaches 100,000 or 200,000 or maybe 300,000. I have to decide this. I didn't do that yet, but at one of these levels, I'm gonna buy one of these watches because I think they're just absolutely beautiful. Look at this. It's like they're called the Astronomia, and they are absolutely breathtaking. They are super, super cool. They are also very expensive because it takes one person 3 months sitting every single day, like full time every day for 3 months, to make one of these watches. And that's one of the simpler watches. They make even more complicated watches that take more than almost a year to make. So there's a lot of, it's proof of work, you can say. It's just like Bitcoin or gold. It takes effort and time to make these watches, and that's why people pay such a premium for them, because it was so many hours were put into making them. And obviously this is not going to hold value like Bitcoin, of course not. I know that I'm going to lose money from buying this. It's more of a like fun thing, like a trophy. Like people, when they reach milestones, they buy something nice for themselves to yeah, just for fun, for congratulating yourself. It's like a trophy. And I don't know, maybe you think I'm stupid, maybe you think it's absolutely stupid, but I really like these watches. And I mean, I can show you, they have crazy ones here. Let's see if we can, like, they have insane watches with like diamonds and stuff. This is not really my style. I don't really like all these diamonds, but look at this. These watches, I think they are absolutely mind-blowing. Fantastic. So yeah, big shout out to Jacob for making these amazing watches, and I really would like to wear one of these very, very soon. So yeah, Bitcoin will be my ticket to having one of these amazing watches, because yeah, I mean, Bitcoin will go to 400,000 very soon, 500,000, and even $1 million. $1 million, I think we're gonna have to wait for at the end of the next bull cycle. I think this bull cycle, so within the next 1-2 years, we will see 300,000, maybe 400,000. I think in the bull cycle after this, which means in the next 4 or 5 years, I believe we will see Bitcoin go up to somewhere between $1 to $5 million. 1 to 5 million. So in that case, I can buy maybe like 10 of these for 1 Bitcoin. And I really believe that's going to be the case. And you let me know down below. Am I stupid? Do you think I should just hold my Bitcoin for the future? The thing here is that I've been here before. I know that the bull cycle will end. We're going to see another bear market. And when Bitcoin went up to 20,000 in the previous bull cycle, Bitcoin was only above $10,000 for a few weeks, like 2 weeks or something. And then we crashed down. So when Bitcoin goes above a certain level, let's say it's maybe 100,000 or 200,000, Bitcoin will only be at these insane levels for maybe a couple of weeks, and then we're gonna crash down. So if you can be quick enough to take profits at say 200,000 and buy a nice car or buy a nice watch, then you're actually doing pretty well, because if the price goes down to 50,000 later, well, you're maintaining some type of value there. However, if you wanna be smart, if you want to be not stupid like me, if you want to be smart, you will take profit and buy things that will generate cash flow. That's much smarter, and I will do that as well. This is just a fun little thing. This is more like a thing for me. It's like something that I've wanted to have for such a long time, and I just want to have one. I cannot say much more than that. That's just how it is. But I will, of course, the majority of my take profits, this will just be like a small part of it. The biggest part of it will be I'm going to buy companies that will generate cash flow for me. I'm going to buy real estate that will generate cash flow. And I will also buy potentially stocks that can generate cash flow, and other things. But these are the maybe three main things I'm going to buy that will generate me cash flow. And they will also maintain its value. That's very important. They will hopefully maintain the value. As soon as I buy this watch, it's gonna drop 50% in value. So it's actually stupid. I'm stupid, but I like it and I want it, so I'm gonna get it. But it is stupid, that's for sure. You wanna buy something that maintains its value throughout the bear market, and at the end of the bear market or throughout the bear market, you can start to reaccumulate Bitcoin. I think that's very, very important. So yeah, I guess that's it for this video. I truly hope that you enjoyed it. Make sure to go down below this video and click my affiliate links if you want to support my channel. Thank you so much for that, guys. And if you have never seen my Bybit tutorial, make sure to click it right here, right now. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.